My name is Lincoln Omai. I'm a self-taught engineer and I deal with electric mobility, mainly wheelchairs for people living with disabilities. Um, I mainly deal with wheelchairs because I saw there was a gap in the society. I saw people with disability were suffering moving from point A to point B, and I figured out a way of solving the problem by coming up with a local solution that was an off-road electric wheelchair. The unique part about the wheelchairs we build, majority parts are recycled, so we save the environment while building the wheelchairs. Second point is that they have full suspension. That means they're able to do off-road, and most of the imported wheelchairs cannot be able to. On those rough terrains where imported wheelchairs are not able to cover. Again, our wheelchairs are unique because they can be able to travel for long distance in one charge. Majority of the parts I use to build my products are, I would say 90% of my products are built using recycled materials. This includes metal, batteries, and some 10% of imported electric parts. The batteries are sourced from, actually the batteries I use are recycled and they are sourced from, I get my batteries from local US management companies, and mainly the batteries are from old laptops, old lighting gadgets. That's where my batteries come from. My wheelchairs have, the cost of my wheelchair is a fraction of the imported ones because the wheelchairs are below 1,000 USD and mainly the imported wheelchairs are above 2,000 USD. I feel the government has not done enough because I believe they're supposed to. We have a lot of innovators who don't know what to do because they don't know where to get, how to get the government to support them. That includes me. But I'm glad I've received some support from abroad, but not from the Kenyan government. So I wish something can be done to the local innovators who are solving Kenyan problems to support, to receive support from the government. We have a lot of creative youths in Kenya who have gone into drugs because they don't know what to do, they lack jobs. But I believe if they are given the right channels, they are given the good advice, they have a lot of things they can be able to change and offer in the society. So this again goes to the government. So the government should empower the youth and give them the right channel to follow and support them, do something to help the society. To my fellow youth, there are a lot of things we can do and you can do. Like for me, since I'm a dropout, I never lost hopes. I figured out ways to prove myself wrong and people thought I was a failure to the society, and I'm building something that is helping the society. So I believe even you, the youth, you think you are useless in this country or this in your society, just sit down and think what you can be able to offer and look for support and right channels to fulfill your dreams, because you can. Everything is possible.